don't know if you heard that. I just heard like that. It just scared the crap out of me. I thought trucks were coming. Because the army does travel right there. Way up there. Like up there. They've seen me before. I don't know. Cut trees down with a rope. House. Oh, that's just like a tactic. Ow. Ow, this is a thorn bush. Gotta get those removed. It's gonna end off this vlog.